This is the Pedalbox Pedal Control 2.0. This is for the 2014 to current Sprinter vans. This is basically a plug-and-play setup that's going to give you better enhanced response and better acceleration here. Basically, you're just going to scan this QR code and download the app, and then you're going to plug this in, basically just in line with the throttle. Right above the gas pedal, there's going to be a wiring harness, looks similar to this one right here. You're just going to basically unplug that. You're going to plug this one in here, and you're just going to run this in line. And then everybody runs these differently. They'll zip tie it or whatever, but I'm going to just put this through the center console here, run the extra cords through the center console, and get this out of reach from the gas pedal. You just want to make sure it doesn't interfere with the pedal. And then basically once you have this installed, it's just basically plug and play. You're going to download the app here from this QR code, and then you're going to set it to whatever mode you want. They have an eco mode, a sport mode, and then what's really nice about this system here, it has a theft mode on it. So if you want to disable the throttle altogether, you can set it in theft mode from the app, and it just does a really great job. I know of several people who have these in their Sprinters, so I decided it was time to purchase this and get it installed on mine. So again, it's been a very easy setup on these. I saw somebody install it on a friend of mine on their Sprinter van. It takes probably about 10 minutes. You install the harnesses, you download the app, you just pair it together with the Bluetooth, and it's just ready to go. A lot of people I know just keep it in sport mode, or there is a setup there where you could change it to work how you want, but it seems like the consensus for everybody I know, they're just using the sport mode on it, and just works really well. And again, the theft mode, if you're at an RV site or somewhere, if you just want to take the ability to use the throttle, you're definitely going to want to use that feature as well. So definitely want to check this out. It's the Pedalbox Pedal Control 2.0. Really nice, easy plug-and-play system here. And again, you're going to get your enhanced response, enhanced acceleration, and an easy-to-use mobile app to get this thing going. So definitely want to pick one of these up if you have a Sprinter van.